Today I am reviewing iRobot Roomba Plus 504. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The iRobot Roomba Plus 504 is one of the most advanced robot vacuums available today, combining powerful cleaning performance with cutting-edge AI technology. Right out of the box, it impresses with a sleek, modern design that fits seamlessly into any home environment. But this isn't just a vacuum, it's an intelligent cleaning system built to make your life easier. One of the first things you'll notice about the Roomba 504 is its PrecisionVision AI Navigation. This is no random floor cleaner. It intelligently scans your environment and detects obstacles of all shapes and sizes, from cords and socks to pet waste, so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck or causing a mess. It navigates smoothly across your home, adapting its route for maximum coverage. It even uses LiDAR-based mapping to create a precise floor plan, so it knows where it is cleaned and where it still needs to go. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Roomba Plus 504 excels. It features dual rubber brushes designed to flex and adjust to different floor types, paired with extreme powerlifting suction. This combination makes it highly effective for removing dust, dirt, crumbs, and especially pet hair. If you have pets, this vacuum will make a noticeable difference in keeping your floors fur-free. The edge-sweeping brush ensures corners and edges get the same attention as open floor space. Another standout feature is the AutoEmpty Dock. This dock automatically empties the vacuum's bin for up to 75 days, meaning you can set it and forget it for months at a time. It's a huge step toward hands-free cleaning, and it also keeps dust and allergens contained thanks to the enclosed bag system. For anyone who struggles with constant vacuum maintenance, this is a huge time saver. The Roomba Plus 504 also brings intelligent cleaning modes. Using the Roomba Home app, you can target specific rooms, set cleaning schedules, or even direct it to repeat cleaning in high-traffic areas. It can even prioritize areas that get dirty faster thanks to its advanced dirt detect technology. This means it doesn't just clean, it cleans smarter. Voice control integration is another convenience. With compatibility for Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, you can command the vacuum with simple voice prompts. Whether it's cleaning the living room or tidying up crumbs under the table, it responds effortlessly without you having to pick up your phone. Battery life is strong, too. The Roomba Plus 504 offers up to 210 minutes of cleaning time, which is enough to cover large areas without needing a recharge. When it does dock, it maps the cleaned space for optimized future performance. It's designed not just to clean, but to adapt over time for efficiency. One other aspect worth noting is the quiet operation. Despite its powerful suction, this vacuum operates quietly, making it possible to clean during the day without disrupting your household. And thanks to its anti-fall sensors, it's safe for multi-level homes, avoiding stairs and ledges with precision. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Plus 504 is a high-performance, fully automated vacuum that's perfect for anyone who values convenience, cleanliness, and efficiency. It blends advanced navigation, powerful suction, and an intelligent auto-empty system into one package that truly redefines home cleaning. If you want a vacuum that cleans thoroughly, adapts intelligently to your home, and drastically reduces the time you spend worrying about chores, the Roomba Plus 504 is one of the best investments you can make. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want the convenience of hands-free cleaning, this vacuum delivers. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's a smart home assistant that takes care of one of the most time-consuming chores so you can focus on what matters most.